Welcome to the intricate world of wasps. This nest is bustling with activity as workers move tirelessly, tending to their cells and ensuring the colony's survival. In a colony, wasps communicate and sometimes compete. Here we see a fascinating moment of interaction. Whether a quarrel or a teamwork, it's all part of their daily lives. From below, the nest reveals another perspective. Workers are constantly on the move, maintaining their home and managing their tasks with a remarkable coordination. Wasps are social insects, but competition and hierarchy are a natural part of their lives. These moments are both intense and captivating. A new life takes flight. This young wasp prepares to join the colony workforce. From this angle, the hive's complexity becomes even clearer. Each cell is a small piece of a much larger story. A story of survival and teamwork. In fast motion, we see the relentless energy of the colony. Wasps land, feed, and care for their young in an endless cycle of activity. Beneath the surface, the next generation is developing. Inside these sealed cells, larvae grow, nurtured by their workers outside. Their lives may seem small, but their impact on ecosystems is immense. Wasps are nature's engineers, pollinators, and pest controllers, working tirelessly to maintain balance.